stock powder mixers as of end of August, 40-litre lab machine with interchangeable ribbon mixer or paddle mixer. Paddle mixer is good for different size powders, grains, different sizes. Manual slide valve discharge, variable speed, timer control, safety switch. 100-litre stainless steel ribbon blender with bag rest and counter-angled inner and outer ribbons, as are all of the bit larger machines. This one has a inspection hatch, stroke minor ingredients hatch on the lid. So you can see what's going on. And those are the extension legs, take up to 600 millimeters. 200-litre round body machine. So this body is angled in, so it's much better for sticky type powders. It's got a pneumatic discharge valve, timer control, and the heights on this one are either 175 millimeters or 700 millimeters discharge height, again mobile, on a 4 kilowatt motor. Another 200-litre stainless steel ribbon blender with a U-trough design, pneumatic discharge, the grid at 700 millimeters high, again with an inspection hatch, stroke minor ingredient hatch on the lid, timer controls. A used 300-litre stainless steel ribbon blender, again with the same innards, with pneumatic discharge, either 1 meter high or 600 millimeters high. Just remove the extension legs. This is a 5.5 kilowatt Star Delta drive with timer controls. A 300-litre ribbon blender with manual discharge valve, timer controls, 5.5 kilowatt motor, hand operated discharge unit. 500-litre ribbon blender with pneumatic valve, with dust hood and curtains, with interlocked safety door, opening it inside the dust hood to retain the dust in a confined area when you're loading dusty powders. Again, timer control, 7.5 kilowatt worm drive gearbox. Another 500-litre blender, this time with a standard lid, but with an inspection hatch, stroke minor ingredients, so you can view the machine when it's running, or you can just add minor ingredients whilst it's running. Manual slide discharge valve, access from the rear. Again, 7.5 kilowatt worm drive gearbox motor. And we will have a 2-year-old 500-litre used machine coming in by the end of August. This is the current stock machine status, powder and packaging machines as of end of August.